Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel.
So today I'll give you a room tour because I know I didn't give a proper room tour till now. If you want to know how much I paid around 1200 rupees per day for 4 people. And the beach is there, it's like 2 minutes walking from here. It's called Rosie's Guest House. Pretty decent, not that great, and it's good. Like if you're just coming to roam around and not to stay in the room for a longer time, then it's way better. Otherwise, 1200 bucks for such a weekend price, I think it's really good. You also get good fancy stuffs for female, like for girls and women's, like fancy earrings, cool t-shirts for guys and all. Because the weather in Goa it's so hot right now, like in the afternoon it's so hot that you need to wear like, what do you say, like a sandal kind of stuff, like a half sleeve kind of t-shirts and all. Otherwise, Goa, shopping in Goa is quite good. Like you can actually go and shop, like if you have good amount for shopping left, then definitely you can go and shop around. Just roam, just don't get from one shop. So when it comes to shopping for guys, the choices are really very low. I mean, like it's like just like shorts or just kurta. There's nothing great for guys to shop over here. Yeah, like what do you say, the sandals kind of stuff which I was talking before, you get that kind of stuff, but other than that, there's nothing much. Coming to females shopping, there is a huge variety, huge, right from accessories to dresses to whatnot. Even there's so many things which I didn't know when I was shopping right now. But for females, shopping in Goa is really great. You will definitely enjoy shopping if you're coming with your wife, your girlfriend, your friends. The females will definitely enjoy over here. Now heading back to the room, and then we'll just keep the stuff, keep it in the bag, and then we'll roll out. So right now we are at Bagato Beach. Let's have something actually, and then we go to Chapora Fort and और किधर जा रहे हैं हम लोग?
दिल चाहता है.
going to दिल चाहता है फोर्ट और उसके बाद
Don't take the time to see our product neutralized in the poverty that we think of the crime rates the highest in the lowest classes. It's like a racial bias we're trapped in. These racial biases that plague our society, which makes our anxiety levels raise every time we see it.
So right now at Bagato Beach having lunch, and we have a photographer over here as well. So we can hope for very good pictures right now. Mr. Ketan Desai, are you getting good pictures? So इसके बाद क्या प्लान है विनी?
So this is the last day and currently we are at Bagato Beach and having some nice seafood, and after that we'll...
This guy especially come from Australia to enjoy Goa.
Australia from India,
And he is Brahman and eating machi. Such a beef.
it's a good and bright and sunny day, so we are enjoying right now. And
Yeah, boys played well, inshallah. Match got abandoned due to heavy rains. Duckworth Lewis method will be taken care of.
we are having lunch at 5 o'clock and we don't know what's our next plan, but
Next plan is go to Chapora Dil Chahta Hai Fort.
We'll go to Chapora. In the night we'll have dinner at Anand Bar and Restaurant, seafood bar. जहाँ पे नियल सिर्फ 200 का कॉन्ट्री देगा.
that's good. If you like this video, please
Please do like, share and subscribe, and also to share on your WhatsApp and tell your friends to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Okay, so that's the plan. After having lunch, we'll see what to do next. Till the time, let us enjoy good seafood at
Go subscribe our channel, make us huge. We will also take you with us the tour.
God willing, definitely yes. Okay, so we'll have good seafood over here and then enjoy the rest of the day. very tiring day. I know you can't hear me much, but right now we're just going to have dinner. But before going, I would just like to show the setup, what beautiful setup the Sher Punjab has on Baga Beach. It's beautiful and it's amazing. The music is, I know the music is disturbing a lot, but that's the music of Sher Punjab. Let me show you the view, the place, basically the place where I'm going to have my dinner right now. So a great day has come to an end, and with this my trip in Goa also comes to an end. It was great 3 days fun masti dhamal with my childhood friends. It was really fun. So tomorrow I'll be traveling to Mumbai from Goa to Mumbai, which is approx 580 kilometers. We are planning to leave around 6:37 so that we reach Mumbai by at least 6 or 7. Too fun in Goa was really fun. The food today in Sher Punjab was amazing. I'll definitely recommend you guys to go and have food in Sher Punjab, which is at Baga. The food is cheap, like the rates is really low and the taste is amazing. I had a blast in Goa and I hope you had a blast watching this video. If you guys really like the video, do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Saying that, thank you so much guys for staying tuned to my channel. Always remember to ride with your helmets on and buckle up when you drive. Take care guys, God bless you all. I'll see you all soon in the upcoming vlogs.